As we enter 2026, let's take a moment to reflect on what AST SpaceMobile has achieved so far. With over 3,800 patent and patent-pending claims, we have truly invented space-based cellular broadband. And over the past few years, with our Blue Walker 3 and BlueBird 1 through 5 satellites, we've achieved world firsts, including the first voice, video, and 5G calls from space to unmodified smartphones. That brings us to 2025, the year of partnerships, expansion, and preparing our next generation satellites. We expanded our manufacturing footprint to nearly 500,000 square feet, ramping up production of our large phased arrays that were recognized by Time magazine as one of the best inventions of the year. On December 23rd, our first 2,400 square foot satellite, BlueBird 6, launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in India, becoming the largest commercial communications array ever deployed in low Earth orbit. And BlueBird 7 is ready for flight. It has arrived in Florida, where it will be launching soon. Throughout 2025, we made new partnerships around the globe and achieved world firsts in direct-to-cell broadband. In January, together with Vodafone, we made the first ever video call in Europe from space to an unmodified smartphone.
It's Rowan calling from a remote mountain region in Wales, in an area that's never before had mobile coverage.
You know, we are making history today.
In February, we conducted additional calls with our partners in the US. In April, with Rakuten, we achieved Japan's first ever space-based video call.
聞こえます。つながりました。
In June, we successfully demonstrated the first space-based direct-to-device connections for government defense use cases. In July, we completed the first voice-over LTE call with AT&T's core network. In October, together with Bell, we conducted Canada's first voice-over LTE call, broadband data connection, and video streaming from space. Our technology is built not only for consumers, but also for governments, ensuring reliable and secure communications for the teams keeping us safe. In December, we welcomed AT&T's FirstNet team and federal, state, and local public safety personnel to see for themselves how our space-based cellular broadband network can ensure emergency responders stay connected when every second counts. Our circle of strategic partners continued to expand in 2025. STC Group joined our mission, signing a 10-year commercial agreement to deliver direct-to-device cellular broadband in Saudi Arabia and select countries across the Middle East and Africa. To date, we have 8 key partners: AT&T, Verizon, Vodafone, Google, Rakuten, American Tower, Bell Canada, and now STC. And beyond that, we have agreements with more than 50 mobile network operators serving nearly 3 billion customers globally. During 2025, we accumulated $1 billion in contractual commitments. This year, we also welcomed many guests to witness the making of our next generation BlueBirds at our state-of-the-art facilities in Midland, Texas, including Senator Ted Cruz and FCC Chairman Brendan Carr. And finally, we received awards that reflect the strength of our strategy, trust of our investors, and relentless work of our global team. This is only the beginning. In 2025, we got ready for a packed year ahead. By the end of 2026, we aim to launch 45 to 60 more satellites, supporting consistent coverage across the US, Europe, Japan, and other select markets. We're excited for what lies ahead as we continue our journey to end cellular dead zones around the world and fulfill our mission to connect the unconnected.